Hello friends, welcome back to our Tech in 99 channel. This is our third video on platformer game. If you haven't seen our previous video, then go to description and watch them. In this video I'm gonna to add one more enemies which will move on platform. So let's start the video. Before begin, I request to you, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my new videos notification. Friends, after end of this project, I will monetize this game with Google AdMob ads and with Facebook ads. And after monetizing, I will upload this game on Amazon App Store, Facebook Instant Game, App2Ad, Crazy 4 Games, and many more game websites. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. I'm gonna to add one more enemies. Click on add a new object, sprite, enemy 2, add an animation, add, and I'm gonna to add this one. And now click here on loop and preview this one. Yeah, it's looking good. Click on OK and click on apply. Add a new object, sprite, and type here, add an animation, edit with p-scale, and click on save. Click on apply. Add a new object, sprite, enemy right, add animation, edit with p-scale, and now pull this enemy 2 on here. Okay. And now go to events and create a new group, and it will be enemy movement. And now I'm going to create an enemy variable and edit object variables. Add, and it will be direction. Left, click on apply. Add a condition. When enemy 2 will collision with right, enemy right, okay, then enemy 2 will flip horizontally. Add action and type here flip and select this one, flip the object horizontally. Enemy 2, yes, and click on OK, and copy this one and paste here, and it will be enemy left, and this one will be no. Okay, and now add a new event, and now I'm going to change the enemy direction. Add a condition, enemy 2, and select text of object variable, and it will be direction equal to left, and click on OK. Add action, enemy 2, and click on arrow force, and X position will be minus 60 and Y it will be 0. Click on OK, and now copy this one and paste it and change this one, it will be right. Okay, and change it also, it will be positive 60. Now click on add action and type here modify and select this one, modify the text of a variable of an object, and object will be enemy 2, variable will be direction, and set to, it will be right. Click on OK, and now copy this one and paste here and change this one left. Okay, now let's preview it. Yeah, you can see it, it's working good. Okay, now let's make a code for delete enemy 2. Okay, if player will be collision with enemy 2, then enemy 2 will delete. Okay, it's very easy, just copy this one and paste it. If you haven't seen our previous video, then go to description and watch them. It will be enemy 2, and copy this one also and paste it and change this one, enemy 2. And enemy 2 will delete. When player is collision with enemy 2, and if player will falling, then enemy 2 will delete. If player is collision with enemy 2, and if player is on floor, then player will delete. Or here you can add player's life will delete. I will teach you in next video how to make a player life. Okay, now let's preview it. If player will falling on enemy, then enemy will delete. Now let's see enemy 2. Here you can see when player is falling on enemy 2, then enemy 2 is deleted. Okay, and now I'm gonna to hide this both arrow. Okay, go to events, add a new event, click on error condition and type here at the beginning of scene. Select this one at the beginning of scene. Add action and hide enemy left. Add action and hide enemy right. Okay. Now preview this one. Yeah, here we go. You can see it. Both arrow is not looking. Okay. And now I'm gonna to change this enemy color for better look. Okay. Level 1. And click on edit with p-scale. And now let's preview it. Click on preview button. Yeah, here we go. It's looking good. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Friends, if you haven't seen my previous video, then go to description and watch them. If you have any type of question, then comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.